Hello everyone, this is Raji. In this video, let us learn about static versus dynamic ranking using RANKX function. So the RANKX function returns the ranking of a number in a list of numbers for each row in the table argument. It has mainly four parameters: table, expression, value, and order. Table is any DAX expression that returns a table of data over which the expression is evaluated. An expression could be any DAX expression that returns a single scalar value. And value is this optional, any DAX expression that returns a single scalar value whose rank is to be found. And order, this is also optional, a value that specifies how to rank value, low to high or high to low. For example, 0, false. Ranks in descending order of values of expression. If value is equal to the highest number in expression, then rank x returns 1. This is the default value when order parameter is omitted. Next, true. 1. Value is, if 1 is 1, alternate value is true. Ranks in ascending order of expression. If value is equal to the lowest number in expression, then rank x returns 1. So let us see this with an example. Click on Get Data, click Excel Workbook, and select the function required table to load, required data to load. So load all the tables, select all the tables and click load option. So the data is being loaded. After data is being loaded, let us go to the model view and check if the relationships are established correctly. If not, let us make the necessary changes. So select the model view. So if you check the relationships are not in correct order. So let us remove the improper relationship, and this is inactive relationship. We have to make it active. Let me delete this. And again create a relationship with common term product ID. So the relationship is active. Now we have to establish a relationship between calendar table and sales data table based on the common factor date. Select sales date, which is common in both the tables, and select. So we have established the relationship correctly. So this is the fact table and all these tables are the dimension tables. Now let us create the measures for total sales. Click on the select sales data, right click, Create new measure. Name the measure as total sales. Total sales equal to sum of from sales data table total sales, total unit sale price. Select this measure and click enter. Our measure is created. So now go to report view and select the table visual. Select country and total sales. From sales data select country and our newly created measure total sales. So we have to change this to dollars. So here we are going to create now two measures for static and dynamic ranking. First let us create static ranking. Add a new measure. Name it as static rank equal to, we are using the function RANKX, and here we will use all function. So this function returns all the rows in a table or all the values in a column, ignoring any filters that might have been applied. So I am selecting the sales data country table, country column, comma, measure total sales, comma, order, you can give 0. Click enter. So this is the static rank. Now select the newly created measure to the column. So we can see this is the static rank. So if you want we can select ascending or descending. Now let us create dynamic rank and let us see what is the difference between these two measures. Here we will use, instead of all function we will use all selected function. Dynamic rank equal to RANKX all selected sales data table country column, comma, country column, comma, total sales, total sales, comma, 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 0. Click enter. Select the table and select the newly created measure. So here let us select a slicer and select country column, Here for this slicer, let us allow selection, multiple selection. By selecting control key, you can select. See, I have selected Australia. I am not selecting anything. The ranking for South Africa is 1 and ranking of Canada is 9. Let us select these two countries, South Africa and Canada. So see here, static rank for South Africa is 1, Canada is 9, but dynamic ranking is based on these two countries only. So 1 and 2. And if we select India, see, static remains same, but dynamic ranking is based on the countries only. Based on these countries selected, it gives the ranking. But for static rank, the ranks are fixed. Canada ranking is always 9, India ranking is always 6. But dynamic ranking, it gives the ranking based on the country selected. So this is how we can rank the countries using RANKX. We can rank the countries using the RANKX functions. And thus we can see the differences between static rank and dynamic rank. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.